Nice brownie. Pretty sure he's stocked, but beautiful brown. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the office doing a little bit editing now that I'm able to move my shoulder just a little bit, not a whole lot, but the progress is coming along very slowly. It's gonna be April or May before I'm probably out fishing, but I wanted to get another fishing video out for you guys. This is one that I had in the archives from the fall. I had been to this spot a couple of days before this specific trip, and that's when I caught that Palomino and a whole bunch of trout. So if you missed that video, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above. Yeah, that's as high as I'm able to get my hand at this point. So recovery is very slow. I'm going to link it up above. Check it out. That was a great day of fishing. This video is a few days after that. I decided to go back. Weather was roughly the same, and I thought hopefully with any luck I would get into the same kind of pattern. I did manage to get a few to the net, so wanted to bring you along with us. Let's check it out, get to the fishing. Thanks for tuning in with me here through this recovery. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tom. This is my channel, Average Dad Fishing. We do all types of fishing here, multi-species, kayak fishing, wade fishing, boat fishing, saltwater fishing, freshwater fishing. If it swims, we want to catch it. So subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Get down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this content, and we'll catch you on the next one. Wow. This is going to ruin this spot. I don't know if they did this all the way up, but they came in here and they basically cut down all this stuff, making it extremely accessible. On one hand, that's really great. It's extremely accessible. On the other hand, it's going to make it so anybody can come and fish this from the bank, which is going to, one, increase the pressure, two, unfortunately, it's going to increase the amount of garbage left on the bank, and three, quite possibly, going to destroy this fishery. Because while people, they better post a lot of signs that this is catch and release. I used to have to crawl just 3 days ago. I had to come crawling in here. Now I can just walk in very easily. This is not good. Let's see if they're still chewing. From the other day. Do not anticipate I'm going to catch that Palomino again. Can already tell because we have 4, I don't want to call them kids, but they're kids downstream with a bunch of garbage bag or grocery bags full of probably baits and stuff. And I hope I'm wrong, but I have a feeling they're going to get left on the bank. And that's all that this is going to do, is kill this fishery. It's going to increase the amount of garbage. This place is going to go from, used to be a pretty cool place, to And I'd rather not fish there. And that's a shame, because this was a really good fishery. I'm hoping I'm wrong. But just from what I saw upstream last year, since they've completed this restoration and they made some easy accessible bank stream, see, it's a very nice resort across from me, and you have some very disrespectful people not realizing that it's early. They've got music playing and just not being respectful of the people that are staying, paid money at this resort to stay here. We'll just have to see how it plays out, but if it plays out the way I think it's going to be, I won't be coming here. And I know a lot of the fly fishermen are going to be mad as well. Ooh, there was a bite. Had the tail. Make sure it didn't steal my worm. Got me a worm. Still got my worm. Oof. That was a hit. I wonder if that stole my worm. No, I still have it. Mm. Couple of bites already though, that's encouraging. There we go. First one. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? There's a little Nice brownie. Pretty sure he's stocked, but hey. Did you get yourself off, or did you spit my worm? Hey, you got yourself off. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Skunk is off. Okay. Let's hope. How many can I catch standing here today? The other day I caught 12. There's another one. Oh, it came off. That was a little better fish. Better get a new worm. There's one. Gotta catch up to him. Beautiful brown. Beautiful brown. Well, you are all wrapped up here, dude. Right in the corner of the mouth. Number 2. There's something going on down there. Are they stalking? Yep, they are stalking. Well, this is about to get interesting. Ah. Another nice brown. Come here, dude. Just stop wrapping yourself up. Gorgeous. You flung my weight. So we're gonna have to do the just the close-up. Number 3. Fishing down there is going to get pretty interesting today. They are not as fired up today as they were on Wednesday. Ooh, Palomino. Good to see he's still swimming strong over there. There we go. Gorgeous brown. Where's my weight, dude? Oh, hey. Let's figure out what you got going on here. I thought I unhooked, let go. Open up. Let me take. Get all my stuff back, and we're gonna let you go. There we go. Got all my stuff back. Gorgeous brown. There we go. Right in the beak. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. Wanted to show you off.